Hello everyone, I'm Neha from WebPlanX. Today I'm trying to explain you how to set up pop-up on your website menu or on your footer. For that you just need to do few steps. You need to go to the theme elements menu in our application. Then you need to click on integration tab, and here one code snip are available. You just need to copy and paste this snip on your Shopify page. You need to go to the themes, and there you need to click on a customize tab on your current live theme. When you will click on customize tab, the customize tab will redirect you on this page, and you need to click on edit code tab. When you will open edit code menu, the two options are available for you. If you want to show pop-up on header, then you need to find out the header.liquid file. Or if you want to show pop-up on footer, then you need to find out the file footer.liquid. You can find out both files on sections menu. As I can see, footer.liquid and header.liquid, both files are here. You just need to copy and paste this snip on any of one file. As I had pasted the snip on my header file, so the pop-up is showing on near to my menu. You can see get cashback is showing here. So you can also set up it by your end easily, or else feel free to connect us via live chat.